Hi, hello friends. This is the question is given in GATE 2022 digital communication in information theory and okay, based on the channel capacity of a ternary channel. Ternary channel means the channel input has three inputs as well as it has three outputs. Okay, now I would like to explain the procedure. We can able to solve this in almost it is around 1 minute. It is very simple procedure. Just if you know the concept of channel capacity and the corresponding formulas and the simple application of some conceptual understand formulas, you can able to get the answer very fast. Okay. Now, what is meant by channel capacity? We know that the channel capacity is nothing but the maximum information that can be transmitted from the sharing from the channel input and channel output. As in that the channel input is X and channel output is Y. Okay, now I am considering this is the channel input is X, which contains three symbols A comma B comma C, and the channel output Y, this contains A comma B comma C. Okay, now C equal to this, and we know that what is I of X comma Y. I of X comma Y, we know that it is H of X minus it is H of X by Y, or it is H of Y minus it is H of Y by X. Why? Because the mutual information is commutative, that is I of X comma Y equal to I of Y comma X. So the C is nothing but it is a maximum of okay, any one of this. Now I am considering this one. Okay, either you can calculate the you can substitute H of X minus H of X by Y, or you can substitute H of Y minus H of Y by X. Now I am considering this one. It is H of Y minus it is H of Y by X. And we know that entropy is always positive, so that is H of Y is always H of Y is always greater than or equal to 0, and H of Y by X is greater than 0. So here professor was asked that what is the value of alpha for which the channel capacity should be what? The capacity of the channel should be what? Maximum. So the C maximum is nothing but the maximum of H of Y means it is the maximum of H of Y minus, okay, I can write like this. It is, so C maximum is nothing but it is H of Y maximum minus it is H of Y by X minimum. Okay, don't thought that okay, maximum of H of Y minus H of Y by X is nothing but maximum of H of Y and maximum of H of Y by X. Maximum of H of Y minus H of Y by X is nothing but maximum of H of Y minus minimum. Maximum minus minimum, you will get maximum value. Okay. Now here the output contains that means the channel output contains ABC, so that this value equal to log 3 base 2. Now we are focusing on this H of Y by X. Okay. Now for that, okay, there is a simple method. Now I am explaining that simple method. So first, if you write the channel matrix of this one, then what you will get? Okay, it is ABC, the channel inputs, and the channel outputs is ABC. And what should be the channel matrix? What you will get? Here A to A, it is 1 minus alpha, and A to B, it is alpha, and A to C, there is no transition, so that the probability equal to 0. And B to A, so B to A, there is no transition, so it should be 0. And B to B, it is 1 minus alpha, and the transition from B to C, it is alpha. Next, if you see the transition from C to A, it is alpha, and C to B, there is no transition, so that it is 0. And C to C, it is 1 minus alpha. Okay. Now, if you observe the channel matrix, here the elements are 1 minus alpha and 0. So every row has the same type of same elements. That is 0 1 minus alpha comma alpha and alpha 0 1 minus alpha. And if you see the column wise as well, 1 minus alpha 0 alpha and alpha 1 minus alpha 0 and 0 1 alpha 1 minus alpha. That means every row is nothing but some permutation of other row. That means same elements can be presented but in different order. And this type of okay, if every row is the permutation of another row and if every column is the permutation of another column, then that at the time that channel is called symmetric channel. This is the property of a symmetric channel. What is the property? Okay, the symmetric channel is nothing but every row is the permutation of another row and every column is permutation of another column. And there is a property that for a symmetric channel, the channel capacity is nothing but simply the H of Y by X is nothing but it is the entropy of any one of the row or column. Entropy of any one of the row of column. And any one of the row of column is nothing but it is minus of if you calculate the entropy of this row, what will you get, my dear friends? It is minus 1 minus alpha into, it is log of 1 minus alpha base 2, and next minus alpha. Okay, if I take the anyway, if I take the comma of minus alpha, then you will get it is, you can write it is log of base 2 into alpha. And if you see that this is nothing but simply we know that the binary symmetric channel or binary source entropy, and we know that, and this should be what, maximum, this should be what, maximum at alpha equal to, okay, if I draw this one with respect to the alpha, and we know that this should be maximum at alpha equal to 1 by 2 and minimum at 0 comma 1. And what we need, my dear friends, we need h of y by x is minimum. H of y by x is minimum. Means when should be the h of y should be minimum, either 0 or 1. When it should be minimum, either 0 or 1. So therefore the channel capacity should be maximum when this h of y by x should be what, minimum, and that should be what happened at alpha equal to 0 and alpha equal to 1. And here the professor is given in the range of alpha is from 0 to 1. Therefore for alpha equal to 1, the channel capacity should be what, maximum. It should be maximum. Alpha equal to 1 should be the answer. Alpha equal to 1 should be the answer. And see here, actually to explanation of this, I hope so the video is might be in 3 minutes. Okay, I'm consideration of here input is x and output is y, and writing the channel matrix and using the property of the symmetric channel. For the symmetric channel, simply the conditional entropy is nothing but simply you have to write down the any one of the row or column entropy. So simple, you can, if you are applying this property, then it is very simple, and the answer equal to 1. So actually see here, this question was solved by Institute A. Okay, Institute A, the topmost institute that are existing in the market. The Institute A solved that. They are calculating, okay, h of x plus h of x and h of y and h of x comma y, and calculation of so many things, almost around 10 to 20 minutes. They are calculating that c, and later they are differentiating, and they are calculating it is dou c by dou alpha and dou square c by dou alpha square, and make it equal 0, and they are calculating. And Institute B also, Institute M also follows same. Institute M also follows the dou c by dou alpha, dou square by dou alpha, and they are calculating. And Institute B, the Institute B is calculating almost differentiation and make equal to 0, and they are putting the answer alpha equal to 0.5, so they are providing a wrong answer. The Institute B providing the wrong answer, and Institute M, they are almost, this Institute A is solving around 10 to 20 minutes, and Institute M solve this question by 20 minutes. And the Institute U, they are unable to give the value of alpha. Of course, they simply stated that differentiate and make equal to 0, you will get the answer. Actually see here, I didn't differentiate this channel capacity with respect to the alpha and make it equal to 0. I am not solved by 10 to 20 minutes. I just solved by using the property of the symmetric channel property, and just solved by very in the very simple manner, so we can get the answer. So that's why the conceptual learning is very, very important. When you solve the questions, the gate questions are, it is all about testing of your application of concept. It's not they don't want to check your differentiation and make equal to 0, all those things. If you solve the question by 10 to 20 minutes, actually the question is allotted only 3 minutes. If you are unable to solve, if you are spending around 10 minutes to solve the lengthy method, so it's waste. It's not at all. It's the best way to solve the question. So there are concepts are there. So gate questions are mostly they are conceptual. Just you have to identify the concept, from which concept the professor framed the question. And again, one more thing. I explained the procedure around 3 minutes. So to solve this question, it is needed 1 minute. But I will explain another method. You can answer the question within 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, you will get the answer. And that procedure doesn't need all those things. Even that procedure doesn't need this calculation of this h of y by x, all this, it doesn't need it. And that procedure is needed in 10 seconds. But I will upload that video after once the IIT release the response sheet, and at that time I will upload and I will explain the another method. You can get the answer within 10 seconds.